Alright guys, before we start this video, I got a huge announcement. If I reach 4,000 subscribers on YouTube, that's right, 4,000 subscribers on YouTube, by September 8th, a week before Fall Rod Run and the Truck Fest event, I'm going to be giving away a GoPro at Fall Rod Run. That's right, you heard it, I'm giving away a GoPro at Fall Rod Run at the Truck Fest event. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if I get to 4,000 subscribers or more the better, the more I'll throw into this package. I'll be giving a GoPro away at Truck Fest at Fall Rod Run. Make sure you contact Tennessee Diesel Addictions if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about that event. So, we'll see you all there. Going today, guys, Trucks and Water here. In today's vlog, we're starting out, of course, at the truck wash. I'm going to spray out the truck real quick, get all the bugs, grime, and stuff off the trucks. It did rain this week, so it's got all splat up on the side of the truck. And then we'll go off from there.
Viciously attack me.
What's up, guys? And Hunter's back in the vlog.
What's going on?
He's been missing for a while. So right now we've already gone to two dealerships right now. We're just kind of checking out cars and trucks and whatnot, or trucks really. And we just figured out we need better jobs.
We do.
Because it is absolutely ridiculous what trucks cost nowadays.
It's not cheap.
No, it's not. The base model goes for $30,000.
Without power or anything. It's horrible.
Yeah. But the moment you drive off the lot, it's worth $10,000 less than what you bought it for.
Exactly.
Makes no freaking sense.
It's horrible.
It's terrible. But anyways, so we're gonna keep driving around, see. We might stop and look at the Nissan Titan XDs though. The Cummins. We might.
We're gonna get attacked, but you know what?
That's fine.
We're used to it now.
We get attacked a lot.
We are gonna get attacked here. Look at all the salesmen sitting outside.
They're just waiting for us. Yes, they're waiting for us. They're preying on us, hoping we come in.
Viciously taken down right there.
I know, this is gonna be bad.
Oh.
If we don't make it,
brutal beating.
If we don't make it out, Mom and Dad, I love you. Status update: we just juked all of them. We went around the back. Hunter, what's going on?
We're back to boogie.
Okay.
Boogie, we can't just boogie no more.
We'll be back here in a little bit. Hunter, what are you doing?
Struggling. All right, so let's tell ourselves that we're smarter than a change machine, right? Thank you.
You went to college.
Well, I've kind of dropped out.
Don't drop out of college, kids.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. Unless you're becoming a really good paid stripper.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Only for me though.
You dang
that's
right.
where all my truck mod money went.
Every single penny.
In his G-string.
Where we go? Did my truck get stolen?
Probably.
Like return.
No. One of the best features of this truck is right here, but the most pain in the ass thing to ever install in this truck is right here. Oh, that was awful. Yeah, they put new things in it. So moist, Hunter. So moist.
You see, I've had wax put on recently.
Yeah. Look at that bead.
You need to actually give it a hand wax up. Look at that. Oh.
Bead game on point.
Try to keep your undercarriage clean, even if it's your undercarriage on your body. Try to keep it clean.
Dating tips with Hunter and Josh.
Nobody likes a nasty undercarriage, trust me. Oh, sorry.
I'm not gonna say I've experience with that, but I'm not gonna say I've not had experience with that. Beads for days. Look at that drippage. Look at it. Look at it.
No, do I take it through the other side?
Walk away in shame, Hunter. Walk away in shame. Kids, don't be Hunter and...
How much does it cost?
Don't be Hunter and don't go... Oh, crap. We're good. Don't be Hunter and don't go through one of these things.
It doesn't scrub it.
Don't be Hunter. I'm teaching you all lessons about life.
$6? Holy shit!
For
I'm not Bill Gates. That's for a regular.
For pre-soak, wash, rinse, and spot-free rinse. And if you go $10, you get
That's stupid.
undercarriage, double pre-soak, wash, tri-gloss, rinse, and spot-free.
Do we do it?
It's up to you, buddy. Dually vehicles allowed. Bummer. Please turn on wipers. What? That's how you get them ripped off. Enter slowly.
Yeah, let's not fucking tell me that, okay, big boy?
Enter slowly for undercarriage washing. I'll enter you slowly for an undercarriage washing. Huh, did I say that? What? Use caution. Icy or slippery conditions may exist on these premises. No kidding.
Oh.
The Hunter, roll it up.
This is not going as planned.
No, we can't even do a car wash right. Wow, you spent $6 on that.
Hello. Much more of a thick white coating. I like it.
It's terrifying, actually. What if it malfunctioned?
We're gonna need four-wheel drive, boys. It's 2.7 and have enough power.
I already hear the comments now. Okay,
Whoa.
Okay. And she's done. So that was car wash with Hunter. It senses the bass and then it does the lights. You all know what time it is. Alright guys, I just picked up some precious cargo. You can kind of guess what that is. Now it's time to head to Lake Mexico. And, well Hunter, well everyone knows Hunter's. God bless. Heading to the lake now, have some lake fun this weekend. You know, it's always good to have fun with the bros and all that stuff. So we're heading that way right now. It's gonna be a good day.
It's not that face where it is. Are we doing this now?
Yeah. Ready? I'm gonna slide, just keep holding.
You won't be able to see us unless we get up like right here. We're gonna probably have to get up. Okay.
Yeah, get right. Yeah, right about here. Just hold it until I hit the water, pretty much.
Okay.
So I've got my little life strap on. This thing floats anyways. I got my little life strap on, so it's okay.
Right.
Ready? Ow! Damn it! Alright guys, we are going back to Mexico. We just came from Lake Mexico, now we're gonna go to inland Mexico. Welcome to Mexico guys, for the umpteenth time. God, I love Mexico. Okay, we're currently in Mexico right now. Hunter, what are we doing? About to screw some stuff up, okay. That's where me and Hunter went skinny dipping.
Problems.
It's either yes or no, you're together. There's no relationship with Michael Josh. Okay, guys, so you always want to make sure you check the oil in her. Make sure she's good to go. I'm gonna wipe this puppy off, and then we'll stick it back in there.
Won't dry. I think we gotta turn it on.
Yeah, because I don't know if it's one of the. It's not like a car. That's the problem. You know, you don't
Yeah,
slide
it's
it
like
in.
a high pressure deal.
Yeah.
Race. Yeah, we'll have to turn it on.
Yeah, we have to crank it.
Okay.
Check it.
Yeah. I'm just pushing it. Somebody's gotta work the brakes though.
Actually, ain't that bad. Where'd you get a roller make that?
Okay, so the problem is the battery's on this side. So, you want to move the Kubota over this way?
Yeah, hang on. Where's the park one?
All the way up. There we go.
How you
Stop it.
It's full throttle, guys. My foot is to the floor. What a beautiful day out, though. Sun is shining. God is so good. I don't see Hunter and Ivy yet. Alright guys, we're on a rescue mission. It died. Damn it. We're gonna go back.
Putting the K1500 to work.
Park brakes on.
Oh, yeah, park and brake. It works. Go slow. Slower. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. All right, you're good.
Okay. Time for the Instagram.
Yeah, that would be a good post right there. Putting it to work.
But there's no weight behind it.
Just up this hill. A really steep hill coming up. Josh is probably nervous because big hill. Oh yeah, he's definitely nervous. You creeping down?
Yeah, I'm gonna creep.
Always keep your tension tight. Going downhill, you don't want the rope to come back and get stuck underneath the tire. That would not be good.
Goodbye, Mexico. Till next time.